Bisramgonjo Master Para Amsani Tongnai khorok sa bwrui Grakshali Sanja Jora Birkhung bai Khwlai Guwahati ni simi agliwo phai shokpaikha horono bo bini bufayungni logi tei Agartala ni simi bas malkhung bai Khwlai Bisramgonjo thangai tongmani lamani kezar majora hodani samwng hamya khlainai siklarok a bwruino romprenani naikha hwnei koksil jamung bas malkhung Bisramgonjo motor stand phai shokpaikhe a bwri tei bini bufayung patibuno tei khorang tisaka kisa jorani bisingo no patibuno tei amse nangino habar tongflamani nukjaka passenger bus malkhung subai rijaka koktoma mani police party mung thayo phaye shokbaikhe tei habarno tongkasang khlainani naikha abani logi a bwruino Bisramgonjo sakamnogo saknai rijaknani bagui talangai thangka party mungno kitingi Bisramgonjo amsai tongflalaijak phiaba party muni ukluko yak tongo kebuni hwnei samwng amsani lukurokni police party mungno tui cheri naiklui tongkha tabu.
Actually, she was traveling back from Guwahati today by flight, and then she was traveling from Agartala to
Bisramgonj.
And then on the middle of the road, she was being molested by some passenger. And then the passengers who were there, they are a witness, but they pretend like they were sleeping. Okay, that is the issue. So that is why we have stopped the bus there. And then now police were also there. Now they are handling this.
Your sisters, what doing on school?
She is doing her internship. She, air hostess. She was doing air hostess, and then she now doing internship there in air hostess.
Which state?
Guwahati.
Report khorok.